On this video today, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way that you can use AI to make $6,675 per week as a complete beginner without any skills. As you can see right here, this is my dashboard. You can see the number of impressions that I got. You can see the number of clicks. You can see the conversion. You can see the payout right here. You can see this is the payout per week. You can see it right here, the last 7 days. When you search on YouTube how to make money using AI, there are a lot of different methods that you are going to see. You can see a lot of different videos that will show you many ways that you can use to make money with AI. What I'm going to show you is the simplest and the easiest. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to find the AI that you are going to use to make the money. On this video, the AI that we are going to be using is bat.google.com. We are going to use Bat AI so that we can create content. Bat AI is a conversational bot that you can use to write any content that you want, any kind of content that you want. You can use Bat AI to generate the content. Bat AI is owned by Google, and the best part is that it is free. You can use it to generate any content that you want. You can see I am on my dashboard right now. So if you want, you can just type any prompt right here and it's going to generate the content for you. Let me try it for you to see. Let's say how to keep your teeth clean. How to keep your teeth clean. Once you type your prompt like this, just click right here, submit, so that the AI can write the content for you. So as you can see right here, it is going to generate the content for you. So you are going to wait for some time. As you can see, this is the content. You can see it is showing us the step by step on how we can keep our teeth clean. You can see this is the content. You can see a whole lot of different text. You can see everything. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using this AI to generate articles so that we can monetize the articles using affiliate links. So now what you have to do is that you have to first of all join an affiliate network so that you can find products. Once you find the product that you want to promote, you can use this AI to generate content based on that product so that you can use the content to promote the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to search for an affiliate network. In this case, I'm using markethelp.com. So let me just log out so that I can show you the platform, how it looks like. As you can see, this is the platform markethelp.com. It is an affiliate network where you can find health products to promote. They have a lot of products under health. So if you want any health products, you can visit this website, sign up as an affiliate so that you can promote the products to earn a commission anytime you get a sale. It is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can create an account to make money on this platform. In this case, I have my account, so I'm going to just log in to show you step by step on how you can get products on this platform. So let me just click on login for you to see. As you can see, these are my details. Let me just log in for you to see. As you can see, this is my dashboard. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see offers. What you have to do is that you have to select all offers. Once you select all offers, you can see these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see this offer right here, cost per action. They don't need to buy the product. They only need to enter maybe their credit card or an email, and you are going to be earning $50. You can see this one is 50% cost per sale. So anytime you get a sale, you are going to earn 50% of the price. You can see this one is $30 cost per action. So they don't need to buy the product. They need to only enter either a credit card details or an email, and you are going to be earning $30. There are many of these offers that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. As you can see, this offer, the commission is $55 cost per action plus goals. You can see a lot of different offers that you can promote. So now what you have to do is that you have to filter them so that you can find the specific category of products that you want to promote. So you are going to come right here, click on filters. Once you click on filters, you are going to scroll down. So just scroll down. You can filter by country, you can filter by payout range, you can filter by channels, operating system, incentive, vertical, conversion method, media type, by category. In this case, we are going to filter by category. So just select that. Once you select that, you are going to click right here and then select the specific category that you are targeting. You can see a lot of different categories. You can see email offers, Dutch offers, Danish offers, French offers, German offers, general health products. So you are going to scroll down so that you can find the specific category that you want. If you want men's health, you can click on it and then find products under that. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to be promoting weight loss products. So select that. Once you select that, you are going to click on add and then click on apply. So once you click on that, it is going to filter the weight loss products for you so that you can promote them to earn money. Once you filter them, you can see these are the weight loss products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here. You're going to be earning $75 per cost per action. You can see, so anytime you get people to take a specific action, either they enter their credit card details or an email and zip code, you are going to be paid $75. You can see it right here. You can see this one is 50% per cost per sale. So anytime you get a sale, you are going to earn 50% of the price of the product. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, ketosis. We are going to be promoting this product. To promote it, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is your affiliate link, but we shall come to it later. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to check the expiring date of the product. This product will expire in December 31st, 2038. So that is a long time. You can make money even in 3 years time or in 4 years time. The expiring date is too far, so you can promote a product like this. Some of the products, the expiring date is very close, so don't promote those products. So now once we get to know more about the product, you can see it. This is the landing page. If you want to preview the landing page, you can just click on it and then preview the landing page. You can see this is the description of the product. So if you want to promote it, you can use this description. Now once we get to know the product, the next step is that we are now going to generate the article based on the product that we have selected. We have selected a ketosis, that is how to lose weight using keto. If you can see it right here, burn fat. If you want to see the full landing page, you can copy your affiliate link and then paste it on a new tab. For example, if you want to copy your affiliate link, you can see this is too long. You can shorten it. So just click right here, shorten URL. Once you click on it, you can see it has shortened the URL for you. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy it. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you can test it on a new tab. Let me just paste it on a new tab for you to see. As you can see, this is the full landing page of the product. The main company is Buy Health. So this is the landing page. When you scroll down, you can see everything in the landing page. They have a nice landing page. You can see everything. This landing page is one of the best, and it can convince customers to buy the product for you to earn money. You can see a lot of different details in the landing page. You can see everything. You can see everything in the landing page. You can see it right here. So now what we have to do is that we have to generate an article using the AI. So we are going to generate an article about how to burn fat using keto diet. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Google Bot AI so that you can use it to generate the content. Now that we know the product that we are promoting, so just type something like how to burn fat faster using ketosis, or you can say how to lose weight using ketosis. Once you type your prompt like this, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit, so that it can generate a full article for you. As you can see, it has not been able to generate the content. You can see I am a language model and don't have the capacity to help you with that. So what you have to do is that you have to edit your prompt. So we can see how to burn fat faster with keto diet. You can edit it like this. Once you edit it, click on update so that it can generate the content for you. You can see it is going to generate the content for you. So just wait for it. You can see this is the content that it has generated. You can see everything. So when you scroll down, you can see the full article. Now what we have to do is that we have to monetize this article. To monetize it, what we have to do is that we have to paste this article on a platform and then insert our affiliate link in the article, so that when our readers read the article, they can click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product, so that we can earn an affiliate commission on markethealth.com. So now the next step is that you are going to come on this website, articlebees.com. On this website, you can post your articles for free. You can submit an article to this website and you are going to be driving traffic to the affiliate link that you are promoting. So once you are on ArticleBees, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit, so that you can submit your article. Once you click on submit, you are going to enter the author's name right here. So that is your name. You are going to type your name right here. Just type your name right here. Once you type your name, you are going to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, the next step is the title of the article. So you are going to come back on Bot AI, just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste your title right here. As you can see, that has been done. So let me make this one caps. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to select the category of your article. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down to the health category. So just scroll down to the health category, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see health and fitness, beauty, and then the rest. So you are going to search for weight loss. You can see weight loss right here, health and fitness, weight loss. Select that. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to paste the body of your article right here. So you are going to come back on BAT AI. Once you come back, you are going to scroll down to the button. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see these three dots. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see copy. Click on copy. You have copied the entire article. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is your article. So what you have to do is that you have to take time and then delete all this, the asterisk. You have to delete them. Just delete everything. As you can see, I've removed everything. If you don't want to see the asterisk, what you have to do is that you have to just highlight the article and then copy it. You have to just highlight it and copy it. Don't use the three dotted lines. So now once you have the body of your article, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link. So you don't have to insert your affiliate link right here. What you have to do is that you have to come to the resource box. You can see it right here. Let's read this sentence. You can see, please do not include your website URLs in the article body. If you have URLs to include, you may include them in the resources box below. So we are permitted to paste our affiliate links right here. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on Market Health and then copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you're on Market Health, you are going to scroll down. You can see this is the description of the product. Just highlight it and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it in the resources box. As you can see, that has been done. Now what you have to do is that you have to type a call to action. Click this link to learn more, something like this, to learn more. This is the description of the product and then our call to action right here. Click here to learn more. So you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to come back on Market Health. Once you are on Market Health, you can see this is your affiliate link. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have inserted your link, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see challenge question. What is 7 multiplied by 3? So you have to answer that. 7 multiplied by 3, that will be 21. Once that is done, you can see notify me when a user comment is posted for this article. You are going to click on that. I accept and agree to article B's terms of use. You have to accept that. Once you accept it, you are going to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see you have to review your articles. So you have to scroll down and review your article. If there is any mistake, you can make the correction before you publish it. You can see everything is right, and you can see this is our affiliate link right here. You can see this is our affiliate link. So now once everything is right, the next step is that you are going to submit it. So you are going to click right here, submit for review. So if you want to edit it, you are going to click right here, make edits, but in this case we are going to submit it. So click on submit for review. Once you click on submit for review, you can see your article has been submitted. So your article has been submitted to the website, and you are going to be getting people who will read it and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to make money from home without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you go and take action. Post a lot of articles onto this platform so that you can direct traffic to your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.